Going to be giving bhajans today, which are Sanskrit mantras, of course, songs, and we're going to be giving them interspersed with our violet flame. And you can see a picture here of Elizabeth Clare Prophet, who we lovingly call Mother, and Almoria. And you wonder, what are they doing there? Well, there was a time when Mother was pondering what was the ratio of violet flame and Sanskrit mantras. Now, Sanskrit mantras are violet flame, but it's a different action, as you will see, when you're singing a Sanskrit mantra, when giving a mantra of violet flame. And so Almoria sent her a ray, and he said the ratio is pi. The ratio is pi, which is a mathematical constant of 3.14. And so we look at the next slide, you can see a diagram of what we call a very simple diagram of the cosmic clock. Now, those of you who don't know the cosmic clock, you need to come to the Essentials, and you will learn about it and our Essentials at the New Year's conference. So here's the quote. The inner meaning of this ratio is that if you look at the cosmic clock, when you see on the slide circumference equals the ratio of violet. See on the slide, the circumference equals the ratio of violet flame decrees, and the diameter equals the ratio of Sanskrit mantras. So the circumference of the circle represents your travel around the 12 lines of the clock. So here's another diagram on the next page. As you travel the clock, you create a ball of violet flame. So we're going to create a big ball of violet flame. Let's put the earth in the violet flame. And you're going around all of these lines of the clock. And then when you finish, you go and we give a Sanskrit mantra. And what Mother said is when you give the Sanskrit mantra, you walk from the 12 o'clock line, you can see at the top, to the center of the sphere and the center of the cosmic clock all the way down to the 6 o'clock line. So it's a very inner, so you're going all the way around and then you go inside the ball, inside. It's like going in the secret rays. And so that's what we're going to be doing. And there's this ratio, if you see on the next slide, the ideal ratio, which I can't promise to give you the ideal ratio today, but it's that's the pi ratio. If you give 15 minutes, you see on the next slide the chart, 15.7 minutes, 5 minutes of Sanskrit mantras, 31 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. So that's what we're going to be doing. We'll give a number of these mantras and we have them to Shiva. So as you can feel Shiva's presence in that song, can't you? So let's move into